Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply turn on or turn off offer to save password in Google Password Manager. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Chrome browser right here. So you have to come to the top right there, click on these three dots, then go to password and autofill, then go to password manager. And it's going to open up like so. Then go to settings. Then right here, you have offer to save password and passkey right here, which is enabled. It has been turned on by default. So if you want to turn it off, simply turn it off like this, and it has been turned on. Now, let me quickly tell you the reason why you have to turn it on and the reason why you have to turn it off. Now, if you turn it on, it simply means that if you use your Google account to create any account with a particular website, maybe Facebook or Instagram or any website of your choice that you sign up with your Google account. So Google, by turning it on right here, Google is going to save the password that you use to log in on that particular website. So by doing that, you will be able to retrieve your password back if eventually you forgot a password to a particular website that you use the Google account to create. You don't want Google to be saved the password from any website into your Google account. This is the reason why you have to make sure you turn it off right there. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn on or turn off offer to save password in your Google account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.